Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Bryophyllum pinnatum tree. Bryophyllum pinnatum is often planted by our people for ornamental purposes and for leaf picking. In Oriental medicine, the leaves are sour, acrid, cool, treat thermal burns, skin bruises, headache, hemorrhoids, pimples, impetigo. Today I will share with you about this medicinal plant. Bryophyllum pinnatum has another name, tree of eternal life. Scientific name, Kalanchoe pinnata, lamb. Pers. Family, Crassulaceae, medicinal burns. Description of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Characteristics. Bryophyllum pinnatum tree is known for many different names such as burned leaves and perennial trees. This is a perennial grass, native to Madagascar. The stems are round, long on surface, contains many purple spots and the height ranges from 40–60 cm. Bryophyllum pinnatum grows symmetrically along both sides of the tree, either whole leaves are split into 3 lobes. The leaf blade is thick and contains a lot of water. From the armpits of the notch outside the leaf margins can grow many seedlings. Bryophyllum pinnatum plants flower in February to May every year. Flowers grow in clusters on top of a long handle and hang downwards. Flowers can be red, pink or yellow. Distribution. Bryophyllum pinnatum grows naturally or is potted for ornamental purposes. The tree likes to live in places with lots of light, along streams or growing wild on cliffs. Leaf plants are available all over the world. The medicinal plant part of Bryophyllum pinnatum. The whole Bryophyllum pinnatum tree can be used as medicine. However, the part used mainly for leaves. Collect. Bryophyllum pinnatum is collected year-round and used in fresh form. Chemical composition of Bryophyllum pinnatum. In the composition of Bryophyllum pinnatum contains the following substances: malic acid, isocitric, citric acid, oxalic, bryophyllin, flavonoic glucosides, including 3-diarabinoside quercetin or 3-glucosid camphorol. Some phenolic compounds, such as p-coumaric acid or p-hydroxybenzoic. Taste. Cool, slightly sour taste. The effect of Bryophyllum pinnatum. According to Oriental medicine, Bryophyllum pinnatum has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, biostimulating, detoxifying, hemostatic, blood-fighting, anti-inflammatory properties. Treating burns caused by boiling water or by fire, hemorrhoids, sinusitis, alcohol, aching joints, peptic ulcers, itching sores, pimples. Indian medicine uses Bryophyllum pinnatum to treat bruises, insect bites, and measles. Indonesia and Malaysia use Bryophyllum pinnatum to treat headache, leg pain, eye pain, fever, leprosy, sore throat, headache, pimples. How to use Bryophyllum pinnatum as medicine and dosage. Use in, crush fresh leaves to drink or drink, each day use 20-40 g. Topical application. Apply fresh leaves and apply directly to the area to be treated or formulated into an ointment for application. Toxicity. Bryophyllum pinnatum is non-toxic. However, some cases may be allergic to the composition of the leaves, causing skin irritation, rashes. Remedies using Bryophyllum pinnatum. Treating accidental injuries, falls and thermal burns, blood bruises, and centipede bites. Preparation: fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: freshly picked Bryophyllum pinnatum needs to be washed and disinfected by soaking in diluted salt water. Then crushed, applied directly to the area to be treated. Relieve back pain, aching joints. Preparation: 3 to 5 large Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. How to use. Put Bryophyllum pinnatum on the stove until the leaves are soft and hot. Then, cover the area of soreness. When Bryophyllum pinnatum cools down, continue to take hot leaves and apply on skin. Do it a few times a day for 10 to 15 minutes each time to ease pain. Take care to moderate the heat so as not to burn your skin. Remedy for sore throat, cough from Bryophyllum pinnatum tree. Preparation: 10 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: the number of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves prepared above is divided into 3 doses, of which 4 are in the morning, 4 are in the afternoon and 2 are in the evening. When used, take raw chewing leaves, slowly swallow both water and residue to the substance in Bryophyllum pinnatum seep into the throat. Apply about 3 days will see symptoms improve. Treating stomach ulcers, intestinal infections, internal hemorrhoids that have bloody bowel movements. Preparation: 50 g of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: after cleaning the leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum, crush and crumble. Sac divided water divided into 2 times a day. Curing milk loss in postpartum women, trouble sleeping, insomnia with Bryophyllum pinnatum. Preparation: 8 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: chew and swallow all the prepared leaves similar to eating raw vegetables. 2 times a day in the morning and afternoon. Cure hemorrhoids, internal, external, dysentery. Preparation: 20 g of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: raw material to be washed. You can use Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves as medicine to treat hemorrhoids, dysentery, and one of 2 ways is to chew water or drink. Cure drunkenness, alcohol solution. Preparation: 10 fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: for drunken people to eat all of the above Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. After about 10 minutes you will see people more alert. 8. Treatment of impetigo, scabies for children. Preparation: Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf, 1 handful. Usage: cooking Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves to get water for children to drink 2 times a day in the morning and evening, 20 ml each time. Combine Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves to cover affected areas. Taken daily to improve symptoms of scabies, impetigo, pimples, acne, urticaria, eczema. Preparation: fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: cook Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf juice and clean the acne-prone skin. Also compound fresh leaves onto the affected area. Cure sinusitis, rhinitis, epistaxis. Preparation: 2 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: crush Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves and extract the juice. Use a cotton ball moistened with Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf juice to squeeze into the inflamed nostril 4 to 5 times a day. In case of inflammation on both sides of the nostril, the light is on one side, the afternoon makes the other. Dengue cure. Preparation: 1 handful of fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: cook Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves for drinking water. In the first day, fever was taken every time 100 ml x 3 to 4 times day. From the second day on, drink 60 ml each time x 2 times day. Bryophyllum pinnatum treats pertussis in children. Preparation: 6 to 8 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: boil Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves to get 20 ml of water for children to drink. Cure high blood pressure, headache, restlessness, nervousness. Preparation: fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: sack of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf, drink 2 times daily by 60 ml time. Cure constipation, fever in children. Preparation: 10 to 15 old leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: boil Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf juice for children to drink. In case of constipation, each time drink 60 ml x 2 times day. If the child has a fever, each time 30 ml x 2 to 4 times day. Cure dysentery. Preparation: Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf 40 g, apricot leaf 20 g. Usage: all washed, boiled drinking water instead of tea during the day. 2 times a day. Cures boils. Preparation: Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf 30 g. Usage: rinse and soak in salt water. Finally crushed acne covered up. Only apply this method when the acne has no pus. Make 1 to 2 times a day. Cure bloody bowel movements. Preparation: Bryophyllum pinnatum leaf 30 g, mugwort 10 g, squidgrass 10 g. Usage: excellent drinking water, use regularly 1 liter per day. Cure sunburned skin. Preparation: 2 to 3 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum or more depending on the area of sunburn. How to use: wash and soak Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves in salt water and smash and apply on skin. Cure colitis. Preparation: 20 pieces of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. Usage: divide the number of Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves prepared in 3 servings a day. In the morning and afternoon, 8 leaves for each meal, 4 for dinner. Children from 5 to 10 years of age take half the adult dose. Treatment of vomiting of blood due to injury or beating. Preparation: 7 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: smash the burned leaves and add some wine and sugar. Drink once a day. Relieve pinkeye. Preparation: 3 leaves of Bryophyllum pinnatum. Usage: in the evening before bedtime, crush Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves to reduce drinking water. The residue is put into a medical gauze cloth applied to the eyes. The next morning, remove it and wash your eyes with physiological saline. Cure otitis media. Preparation: 2 to 3 fresh Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves. How to use: wash Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves with salt water, crush and squeeze water into the ear. So I have shared with you about Bryophyllum pinnatum. If you have any questions, please comment. I wish you health and success. Please like, subscribe to my support channel. Thank you so much. See you again.